I did not think that I would actually establish friendships and relationships through this sort of medium. It's very cool. It's very cool that we've been able to do that.
We're just now opening the breakout rooms. Go inside there and work with each other. Make sure you pair program. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a wave in the Slack.
I can't get my last function to work. You think we should bring Bikram in?
Definitely, let's do it.
Hey guys, how can I help out?
We can't seem to get it to work.
Yeah, why don't one of you throw up your screen and we can see if we can work through it.
Cool. Yeah, I'll toss my screen up.
I thought we'd do a quick little icebreaker, so kind of a show and tell.
I just put a poll in the Slack channel, so give me those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s, and let's see how you are doing.
All right, we're gonna head over to group 1 and see what they came up with.
Tonight on office hours, we have Essen. So if you have any questions about the homework or any of today's lecture, please feel free to join her later.
I actually got an actual question, which I'm probably not going to say. I'll bring it up anyway.
Shoot.
I'm just trying to recreate what we did earlier.
What route should I take to research how to do that? How would you get started?
That's what I was missing, right? Let's see.
And let's see if now that console will work as expected.
Awesome, thank you. That's what I was missing.
Awesome, Carlos. Great job.
Really surprised at how much fun I had in the when we did happy hour.
Ciao, folks.
Cool.
Guys.
See you.